Hello everyone, welcome back again to TurboCAD channel. Today we are going to create a simple floor plan with TurboCAD 2021 architecture tools. Okay, first we can create a new drawings. You can click new from template and I will use ISO and can click OK. And here I will active for display work plans, and you also can right click in snap and choose your snap. I will use 4 snaps with auto mode and auto work plan by face. You can click OK. You can use a scroll mouse to zoom in and zoom out. And first we can click architecture, and I will right click in walls. You can click walls in here. You can set for thickness and height. We can use a default, and for reference first we can use a left. You can click OK. Now I will create wall. You can click this tools walls, click from these points and you can move to the top here. I will set into 9000. You can press the buttons and type 9000. You can see in range at these points. You can press enter to apply, and we can zoom out. The next I will move to drag here about 6000 to the bottom here, 8000 to the left for 3000, move again to the bottom 1000, and connect at this point we can set into 3000. Okay, the next I will change for wall reference. You can right click again and I will use right reference, click OK. I will click start on these points and you can move into this point. Now how to split these walls? You can use the split tools and select this wall, click at this point, you can split. Also select again this wall and click at this point to split. And I will use copy tools to copy these walls. You can right click in ribbons and you can click toolbars, active for copy tools in here for copy toolbar, and you can click close. The next select these objects, click copy, linear copy, and you can move to the bottom here. You can set yes step into minus 3000. Okay, we click again these objects, the copy tools, move to the bottom, and you can set into minus 5000. Okay, now we can split again at these walls. You can use split tools. Okay, I will click at these walls and split in here, click again and split at this point. You can select this wall and you can press delete button. The next we can apply door in here. You can right click in door tools and you can click door main. In here you can see we have 2 leaf and I will change into 1 leaf. First you can right click in ribbons and you can click palettes menu. We can active for style managers. You can click close. The next in Windows styles, click standard, and for design and Windows type in here I will set into picture. This for Windows. You can change, you can click apply, and for those style you can click here, click standard again. In design or type you can set into single. This for single. You can click OK. Now if you check in these other tools, you can right click and in your mind it will be automatically changed into 1 leaf dot or singles. You also can change width, height, and the other settings in these options. In this tutorial we use default settings and you can click OK. To apply you can click door and click at this point. So I will set for offset 2 into 150, press enter, click again at this point. We can set for offset 1 into 150. The next at this point we can change for offset 1 into 0. You can press enter. To change this door orientation you can click, right click and then choose edit tools, click again this door, right click and you can choose flip right to left. The next we change again into flip inside outside. You also can change in this door, right to left, and now flip inside outside. You can press button to close. Okay, the next you also can use orbit tools. You can press middle mouse so it will be changed in 3D models. You can change into this option, draft renderings. can right click, or you can change into, sorry, we can close first and change into draft rendering. So these are for draft renderings. And if you want to add floor into this 3D floor plan, you can use this tool, add slab by click, and you can click at this edge. You can click so it will be automatically create floor in this floor plan. You can press space button to close again. And now I will change into wireframe and change into top view. The next, how to add roof into this floor plan. So you can use this add roof tools, but first we need to change this plan into top view. So you can right click and choose by face, and now we can click at this face, so it will be automatically changed into top for this plan. The next, we can use add roof tools to add roof. You can click in here, and first we can click start from this point, move into here. The next, we can move into this point, click at this corner. Okay, and now move into here. Finally, at this point, you can right click and choose finish, so it will be correct the roof. You also can edit by double clicking in this roof and click roof. For example, I will change slope in here into 30 degree. Click OK, so it will be changed into 30 degree. We back again into top view, and we can set into wireframe here. Okay. Now in here I will add windows. You can click here window tools, and I will click at this and the points, also at this point in here. Okay, at this point and at this point. You can press space button to close. The next, we can attach hatch into this floor plan. You can right click in ribbons and click toolbars, click hatch in here. You can click close. In this hatch tools, you can right click and click brush. You can set at this type. For scale, I will set into 250. For pen, I will change for colors into corals, and you can click OK. To apply, you can click these tools and click in the wall in here, so it will be automatically apply hatch in walls, and you can press button to close. The next, we can add dimension into these floor plans, but first I will change for plan in here to the bottom here. You can right click, and I will choose by 3 points. Okay, I will set from these points, X into these points, Y into these points. Okay, this for Y, and now you can change again into the view. You can change into draw menu and right click in orthogonal. For format in here, I will set into 300. In here, set into 90. For offset or 45. Click again for format. In here, set into 120. For height, I will set into 190, and for text gap 45. For units and tolerance, I will set into 0 for precision, and you can click OK. Now you can click orthogonal tools, and you can click start from this point into here. Okay, we create again from this point into this point, and now from this point into this point. We create at this point, okay, and move into here. Click again from this point into this point. Now you can click from here into this point. Okay, in the top, you can click from this point into this point, and now from this point into here, and finally from this corner point into corner point at this point. Okay, and in the left we can set from this corner point into this point. Click again from this point to corner point, and now the last from this point into corner point in the top here. Move at this point. You can double click in middlemost to use zoom extend. And now we already create this simple floor plan with TurboCAD 2021 architecture tools. If you have any question about these tutorials, you can comment below this video.